It is pretty good, I guess. What is your resolution gonna be?
Mon ami, you do not have one or zut alors. Do you know what the resolution is?
I'll tell ya. A resolution is for getting better at something you're bad at. Like I'm bad at bike tricks. Observe as I attempt the double spin loop-de-loop super expert bike trick plus. Ow, pain. See, clearly I'm bad at bike tricks. So my resolution is to get better at them.
Ah, moi, I love.
And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. Hey, my life is real great, feel I'm well on my way to my dreams coming true, and I'm getting to do it with you. It feels so nice when the people sing along, they're singing along with the banjo. Did I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back? I take it all back just to have you. Yeah. And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. And one day we might have a big house with nice cars and fancy clothes and a wife with a big old diamond ring. Cause the people, they're dancing along to the mando in some sort of hip-hop beat. But I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. I'm waking up. 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 And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. Take it all back just to have you. Hey, my life is real great, feel I'm well on my way to my dreams coming true, and I'm getting to do it with you.